Hey guys, and welcome back to another video where today I'm posting a neon motorcycle. After this ad, I guess we can play. And yeah, this is a look on my face. And I'll be doing a face cam episode. Well, I think I'm going to turn it off. I don't really like face cam. So, Neon Motocross. It's a fun game, I guess. You guys can try it out. So let's just like that. Try to be aggressive. Fail. Of course. Oh no! Perfect. Hey guys. Come on. Stupid ad. Do this. Yeah, I failed. So I guess I only have 7 minutes on this. I don't really think that's really fun. And so yeah. So please enjoy my videos. I'm really just starting off. So don't get mad at me if it's bad quality. And my 7 minutes is up, I guess.